Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Puma Fenty unboxing that I'm very excited to show you guys. I've had these in my closet for a while and I just never got around to unboxing them, so that is what I'm going to do today. So these are the SB white, Puma white. These are not my size, but I'm gonna like get a new sole for them. The box comes like this, and I'm so excited to show you guys these. They're so beautiful. So you know, you get a dust bag, and this one is huge because I got like a different type of shoe. I didn't get a boot. I mean, I didn't get sneakers, I got a boot. So you guys, these are so dope. Like, I love them, and they're so beautiful. Like, the detail, it's just everything. They have little zip ups where they zip on the side. They have the standard, I don't know if you can see, Puma by Rihanna. Then they have like the straps to lace them, and then these to make them tighter. Now these are like a 10, but they're unisex, so I got them in like a 6 or an 8. I think I needed a 6, but I got like a 7.5, 8 because my feet are kind of big for girl feet. Like, I wear a size 8.5, 9, so I was unsure, but my friend who does sneakers and resells them told me that he can get me a sole for them. So yeah, I just think these are just so cool. And the fact that Rihanna had them on sale, these were like $3.50 and I got them for $79, which is awesome. And I just love these. Here's like the one that hasn't been messed up, but these are just so beautiful. And I can't wait for her rain boots to come out that are similar to this. So these are the Puma Fenty boots in SB white, and I love them. I cannot wait to wear these, honestly. Like, I have to get this sole. I was gonna like resell them, but I want to keep them. And yeah, I just love these. These are like just beautiful and clean, and Rihanna just, she knows how to design shoes. I cannot wait for her makeup line to come out still. Like, we have less than a week or two. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please pray for Houston. A lot is going on there right now, and I just pray that this idiot Trump makes better decisions. Like, because I don't want him to be impeached, honestly, because Pence is worse. Like, Pence thinks that gay people need electric therapy and shock therapy, and that like if a woman gets raped that she shouldn't be able to have an abortion. And he's actually a governor, so he actually understands the system and can get things done. So yeah, let's just pray for our country, and remember to spread love and positivity and to drink water, and stay tuned for my next video, and like and subscribe. Bye you guys.